Hello there, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'll be showing you the way of watching live subscriber count of any YouTube channel easily. So first of all, going to Google and searching for Social Blood. Many of you may know about this site. I'm going to this website. And finally the site is there. Now what you need to do, if you logged in or not, it doesn't matter. Simply search for the channel you are looking for. So one of my most favorite channel is PewDiePie, and I'm just going to type that PewDiePie and enter. The preview of the channel is here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to this black bar and clicking on live subscribe account, and as you can see that the subscriber count is here, and within a few while you'll be able to see the live results of this channel subscription. As you can see, this is increasing all the seconds, and as you can see, it is one of the most popular channel, also my favorite channel on YouTube. And by this way you can also search all the channels you want. And if I show you another channel, that is Tadwit, you can also do it by like this, and it's also increasing, as you can see. And so this is the simple way of watching live subscriber count of your favorite channel and also yours. And hope you really found this video useful. If you really found this video useful, then please consider subscribing this channel, like the video and share your experience on the comment box. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.